cute mo naman. Smile! Are you excited to go to America na ulit? Kaya mo maging solo traveler? Kaya?
Opo.
Nako. Juliana! Are you coming back ba?
Opo.
Sabi ko, it's too early. You sleep pa.
Ano oras siya gumising?
Pinatulog ko. Yung mga ano yun?
Tapos 3.
I couldn't sleep.
Wow, 2 a.m. Super excited ka.
Tapos 3.
You mean
11.
4 o'clock ba yun? And then I asked her to sleep. Tapos, hindi ko nagising siya ng 8. Sabi niya, Mami na, wake up. What? Kanya, we only have 2 hours for my travel.
8 a.m. 8 p.m. pa.
I told you it's 10 p.m. at night. Sabi niya. Oh my God, it's enough. Pero binake niya. Why are you excited?
because I get to be with mommy again.
Wow, ay daddy.
Baka di ka na marunong mag-Tagalog.
Marunong ka ba mag-English pa?
Opo.
Excited ka?
Yan na, Tati's story.
Yes.
Terminal 1.
Check in.
Coming back.
Enjoy na. Ayun, excited na suka. Jollibee or Master Shomai? Hindi kami nag-lunch today, so ayan. Shomai lang sa Ledgi. Ayan. Mamimiss mo ba Jollibee? Jollibee naman dun eh. Daming in-order. Sarap!
Yummy. I'll try and make sure I'm not full yet so I can still eat this.
Okay. And you still have a lot of time. Dami niyang food eh, no?
Yan, come back. I win.
Sure?
I win. What time is it?
7:30.
7 to 2?
30.
Yan, nasa ka muna sa America. Hanggang celebrate ng birthday mo.
Disneyland.
Wow, excited ka?
Opo. But I'm more excited to eat my teriyaki.
Huh?
And I'm starting my vlog on the plane.
You take a picture pag nasa airplane ka na, ha? Take a selfie,
The
okay?
video.
Ganun mo naman. And the video? Tulali. Yana is a dual citizen. So, dalawa yung passport niya. Mamita's very worried. Baka hindi ka na marunong mag-Tagalog when you go home. Can I see your watch, Yana? Who's on your watch? Luna! Where's your bag with your passport? It's a prank! Yana! Yung kipit na. Diyan na si Kuya, oh. Diyan na si Kuya. Yana! Bye-bye!
Don't look there.
Bye-bye! Kiss mamita na. Kiss mamita. Bye-bye, baby. Our solo traveler. So now you excited na siya. Alis na siya eh. Ayaw niya na sa Pinas ang init. San Francisco. Nasa siya sa counter.
Tapos na. Ina ng connection.
Hello everyone! Today we're basically going to America, but I am going as a minor. You know what minor means? It means you're going by yourself as a kid, which is me. I'll be back soon because I need to sleep for a bit. See you soon. Oh, there might be a part 2 because it might have a problem. Hello everyone. So basically right now I'm flying as a unaccompanied minor, which means that I'm going alone by myself. Here goes. Sorry for the parts that you missed. Because I was sleeping and playing a bit. Sorry. So, what do you think about these? Look at this yummy pandesal. Coca-Cola. I don't know what this is, honestly. Most of all, my chicken. Chicken. Yeah. So see you later because there's nothing to do. Make sure to stay put for part 2. Bye!
Night, baby. Sleep na to. Sleep na to. Love you.